Hey guys, welcome back to Rat Rod Bob's School of Rat Rodology, a little shop where dreams come true. Hey, it looks like it's slow going now, but the reason why is because we're gearing up, tooling up, making tools. Yeah, we're trying to get set up to fill in some more blanks on this old rat rod. I mean, we kind of got it stuck together. We filled in one blank, but we got a lot more to fill in. So we got to tool up, gear up to do that. That's what we've been doing. So hopefully in an upcoming video or two, we're gonna get some stuff done on the rat rod. We're gonna see. Hey, guess who showed up at the shop? David Newbern from the MotorTrend channel. Roadkill. I mean, if you watch Roadkill a lot, you probably heard him talk about Newbern and seen some shots of Newbern. Well, that's who, David Newbern. So yeah, David and his gang showed up. They over around Atlanta, Georgia area. He's got his own channel, David Newbern, by the way. If you want to go check him out, I'll leave a link in the description. But hey, him and his gang showed up. They was in the state. Got another buddy up in the woods that they worked with, Wesley. And they stopped by to check out the old rat rod. I mean, they watched my videos, and I'm subscribed to their channel. They subscribed to mine, and hey, it's all good. It's a good thing. Yeah, David Newbern from the MotorTrend channel. Hey guys, David Newbern and clan.
Go to school, boys. Let's go.
Get in, boys. When's the last time you rode in a school bus?
What's up, David?
What do you say, Red?
What's up? I mean, you seen his videos, this is them right here. Up in the old Rat Rod Bob's little shop where dreams come true.
That's right. We're out looking at junk today and we figured we'd come by and look at your junk.
Yeah, they want to come check out my junk. They like junk like I do, so. Yeah, go check out his channel, David Newbern. Hey, you're gonna love it.
Mr. Bob built some cool junk.
Well, sell me this when you get done.
Yeah. Yeah, we like that. Yes, sir. What's your name? Put it on there.
Oh man, I'm down on the list. Can I write in it?
Well, he said that we could keep it for a few weeks and try to.
Yeah.
But you ain't gonna get it back.
How's that?
You're not gonna get it back.
You gotta drive over to Georgia to Wesley.
I will.
Wesley. Hey, David, I got that rat rod over here. Hey, David, I seen that video you done up in that junkyard with all them old tri-5s. I need you to build me a tri-5 rat rod.
What, you looking for like a 55, 56, or 57?
Yep. Me and Elvira need a ride.
You actually got the money to pay for this?
Oh, nope. But Elvira's got a buttload. Yeah, Elvira been known to be into spooky things, David. I can picture it now. Red and Elvira riding down the road, an old tri-5 rat rod. I ain't building it to sell, but
That's where they belong.
Wesley's got the first shot if I do decide so.
This is
Well, it ain't nothing yet. I mean, right now it's just like an old coupe with top chopped on it, but
That's where it
see the
started.
potential though. I can see where this is going.
yeah, when I get done with it, I mean, you know, I don't consider building the car. I consider myself an artist, you know. I like to make stuff look cool. So it's gonna get a lot of patches and stitches. I just done a couple stitches right there. What's gonna happen on my Z frame, so the body is gonna lay about that low. When I get done, it's gonna be about that high off the ground. You know, back half of it.
Yeah, that's my style.
It's gonna sit low, and it's gonna just have a little California rake. You know, the body's gonna have a little California rake to it.
Yeah.
Y'all know Finnegan. Well, I can see Finnegan. You've probably seen David on MotorTrend. Check him out. I mean, some cool stuff, tri-5s and trucks and diesel swaps. And just pull a motor out, diesel motor out of a bus to put in the top kick.
The bus ran great. Transmission shifted. That's all we can ask for. Now it's time to rip this thing apart and put everything into the top kick, which you'll see next time.
Hey, we getting it. We just ain't got it yet. So I'm working on the old lathe. The belt wore out, so I'm putting another V-belt on it. The original motor just went right here. The motor shaft, the sprocket was on the motor shaft to drive the chain, to drive that belt. And it was a big old motor about the size of a 5-gallon bucket, 2 horsepower, low RPM. So it didn't work. It was probably 3-phase, 6-phase, 10-phase, I don't know. It was a big old ugly motor. So I bought just a regular 2 horsepower, higher RPM motor and geared it down with these pulleys so it still turned the same speed as the original motor. You see it's got a little chain drive. Pretty cool setup. So got one of the doors off the rat rod. Don's gonna finish welding it up with our new V4 Mig welder. So this is the before shot. So after it gets it welded up, we'll get another shot of it, see how he done. Yeah. I mean, we tested the Mig welder yesterday in a review video, but now we're gonna actually put it to work. Yeah. Got stitches, yeah, it's gonna have stitches. Yeah, don't need stitches on the inside because I won't be able to see that anyway. But yeah. Yeah, I got the doors welded up. So I got the old lathe running, started fabbing up some dies for the bead roller for some wide beads on this old Model A Coupe. Yeah, I said a video or two ago that the next video was gonna be doing this trunk, but I've been making tools. We've been getting ready to do that. So it's a lot involved in that. So we got kind of getting geared up. That's gonna be a big job. So there's that. Hey, but we getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Yeah, I mean, you see it's gonna be a lot of work. I mean, I don't have much to work with there, so I gotta rebuild all that. You know, and these rain gutters all the way around, so when it rains and trunk the gap, you know, it won't go in the car, it'll run down out the bottom, so gotta do that. Making a bead roller to roll this wide bead right here. So that's gonna be fun. I mean, this thing is in bad shape. I mean, that's great. That's really great. But we'll get it. We're gonna get it. Hey, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.